Hello, everyone, and thank you for coming to the Sage Intacct tips and tricks. Today, we're going to talk about setting up vendor types for 1099 contractors. So as you can see, we're already logged into Sage and we're on the accounts payable module. So what you want to do is come to accounts payable. Under setup, you want to set up the types. And as you can see that we already have general trade and subcontractors in here, but now we want to add 1099 contractors. So what we'll do is we can name it to whatever we want to name it. And we're just going to name it 1099 contractors. And because there are different types of 1099s, we're just going to name this one NEC. So that way we know it's an NEC contractor. If you want to add a parent type, you absolutely can by coming and selecting which ones you have already existing, or you can add a new one. And then we want to set our status to active. And then we're going to save it here. And then now you can see that it set up the type, but we need to go back into it one more time to actually set up the 1099 form. So what we'll do is we'll go into edit, and then we go into form 1099. And it brings up the 1099 box. So we said that these are going to be NECs. So we'll select it as an NEC. And then it automatically defaults to the first one. So we do want to keep it on that. So we'll say save. And then we'll save it one more time. So then that means that this is now set up for all of our vendors that we're going to assign as a 1099 contractor for NEC. So to do this, we're going to come into accounts payable again, and we're going to just go into the vendor files of vendors that we already have existing in here. So we're going to come down here to Lee Thomas, and we'll edit his information. And we'll come down to the additional tab. And as it is right now, it shows that he's set as a subcontractor, but we want to change him to a 1099 NEC. And as you can see, there's nothing in here. There's no form, no nothing. So we're going to save it. And now we're going to go back into Lee's information and go view it. And we come to the additional tab, and you see that it automatically puts form 1099 NEC, and it tells you the box that it's already on there. So it's filling out all of that information on the boxes for us. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching our tips and tricks, and look back for more. Thank you.